We made it, 2023. What's good? Happy New Year's, everyone. Hi, beauties. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, love. My name is Jennifer Melanie. Today, I will be doing my hair. I will be washing my hair. And this video will be super intensive deep conditioning treatment. That's what we're doing today. As you're seeing me holding this bucket right here, certified African gal. Wait. I have this comb right here, and I have these other ones that I will be using during my wash day, and I have them in the bucket right now because I'm about to disinfect it with warm water and vinegar. See, white vinegar, okay? During this process, you could also use shampoo or any liquid dish soap. And meanwhile, I let this soak in for 5 to 10 minutes. I will be, oh sorry, that was loud. I will be parting my hair into 4 sections. As I'm doing the last twist, this video will be a voiceover just because I can be in the shower and talking while recording at the same time. I don't even know if that will be possible. And I will be showing you guys all the products that I'm using. I will be using a lot of products, but please, I beg, don't come for me if you don't use a lot of products to wash your hair. That's fine. However, I'm just sharing how I'm doing it. May all the natural police patrols don't start their stuff, because based on my last video, I did notice that there's a lot of fire on this YouTube. It's crazy, but anyways, I love everybody that watches me. I promise you guys. Okay, so we're done right now. Let's get it started. For so long, many of us don't know what to do with our hair, but I'm very glad that you landed on this video. All it takes for you is to have your own products at home. You don't have to go to the salon to get a professional to wash your hair. These are simple steps that you can achieve on your own, and it will help you so much and improve the health of your hair. First thing we want to do is to make sure that the water is soaked into our hair. Even if that takes 5 minutes for the water to get into your hair, allow it and let it be. This video is friendly for all my naturals. The first shampoo I will be using is a 2-in-1 from African Pride. I will make sure that I start applying this shampoo into sections of my hair first. So we're starting with the first twist. While applying the shampoo into the hair, you want to make sure that you detangle with your fingers. Go ahead and spread apart those hairs before you grab the comb to actually start combing out the hair. During this process, I want you to take your time to actually detangle your hair, because in this video, as we're doing an intensive deep conditioning treatment, our hope is to lose less hair while we're washing it. As me, I used to lose so much hair while wash days because I didn't know how to properly detangle it, or maybe I was too rough, or I'm just doing it too quick to get it over with. But no, you must take your time. If you don't have a wash day that's actually time spent on, then I don't know what to tell you, but that shouldn't be a proper wash. So take your time. After I'm done applying the shampoo, you can go ahead and grab those big combs. You can find this at your local beauty supply, or I can even link it down below. You can get it anywhere. So you start first by combing out your ends and moving upwards until you feel like your hair is less tangled. As I was done combing the half bottom section, I looked at my comb and I was actually surprised. I'm like, whoa. This is the amount of hair I only lost. It was actually shocking because back then it will be triple or quadruple of that. So I'm like, thank God, this is how you know I did it right. As I'm detangling my hair, I don't allow my hair to get dry with the shampoo, so I go ahead and add some water on it so that the shampoo can be reactivated inside the hair. And while I'm doing this, I'm going to grab another small brush that will be detangling my hair. And this one is more to actually scrap the scalp and also getting any excess dirt that I have on my hair shaft. As you're seeing me do this, I'm trying to elevate maybe all the excess buildup that I have from my oils or any leave-in conditioner or any gel or product that I applied previously on my hair. As you're seeing, the direction I'm using with this brush is from upwards to downwards. Now that we're done at the bottom, we will move to the top and do the same thing we did at the bottom, which was adding shampoo to the hair. And if the hair is dry, please go ahead and add water, because mine did get dry, so I had to add water in order for me to put the shampoo in. I also grabbed my big comb once again to make sure that I detangled my hair. And before using the big comb also, if I had to separate my hair with my fingers, I did. Luckily, every time I do the front, I finish faster because the back is usually harder than my front hair. So my front hair, it did not take a lot of time. Like, I was done maybe in about 5 minutes doing the half front section, and now I'm doing the last half, and I was like, whoa, thank God, because this is about to get real exciting. Okay, now once you're done detangling the front part, please don't forget the small brush that we mentioned before that will be removing all the dirt or buildup from your hair shaft, from your scalp, or from your hair follicles. Make sure that you brush everything away and all the dirt out. Also, during this process, I'll recommend taking your time, because what's a wash day if you don't actually wash your hair nice and neat? Before I proceed with this voiceover, look what happened. Why is my sister this extra?
Melanie, what the are you doing? Ah! Why are you here?
Didi.
¿Cómo que GD?
Hacer esto aquí.
This is what happens in Equatorial Guinean households. Like, my sister got there, she was shocked that I was washing my hair and that the camera was set up. So she started asking me too many questions. Anyways, let's proceed to what we was doing. We're adding more shampoo because I'm extra. Yes, after combing out my hair with the previous shampoo, I feel like that was not enough to get out all the dirt. So I went ahead and added more shampoo, and I make sure I scraped everything off. As I'm adding this African Pride shampoo, I'm like, it's really not giving me everything that I need right now. Like, where's the extra mousse that I need for this hair? So I took my Argan oil shampoo and it did it for me. I was like, whoa. I did say I was gonna use that shampoo more, so I'm even glad I used it. Yes, I did use 2 different shampoos during this hair wash, but if you can, please go ahead and use one. However, I was not about to waste the first one from my bottle. I know we're not doing any votings in this video because I've been an African Pride girl for so long, but if we're supposed to vote in between the African Pride shampoo and Argan oil is definitely winning on this one. So I already know that their conditioning treatment will be also good. Now this is me just massaging my scalp and doing whatever I have to do, and I was very confident with this shampoo. So it's very important to know what shampoos you have on your wash days, because as you saw with the one on African Pride, it really was not giving me too much action. So I had to make sure that I used another one that will make me feel well. I promise this will be the last brush I am using to detangle and combing out my hair, so that I make sure that all the dirt is out while I'm washing this hair with the shampoo. And after I'm done with the shampoo, now I'll go ahead and rinse everything off so we can start the treatment. Now I am going to use this jelly to cream conditioner, and this is the consistency. The one I bought was the rose petal ones, and they also have the aloe vera if you love that. However, I did not choose the aloe vera one because I used the plant and it made my scalp itch really bad. So maybe I'll try the product next time. However, I did not want to try that. And this is me applying it on all my hair and making sure that I split them so that all my hair can have a good amount of gel. Once I applied this gel, my hair was already feeling silk and smooth. Once I applied it, I left it in my hair for about 5 minutes before rinsing it off. And once you rinse every product off, I also forgot to mention earlier that you must do that with warm water. Do not burn yourself. I did not say hot water, and I did not say cold water. We need warm water. So that's what I'm doing right now before we proceed to the next cream. This is the intensive deep conditioning treatment from Argan oil. I will be applying this all over my hair and we want to leave it in for about 15 minutes. While we leave it in for 15 minutes, we want to go ahead and cover that with our shower cap or a plastic bag so that the conditioner can be well concentrated inside of our hair. Now, this technique right here is a game changer for the girlies that have dry hair or you've been dealing with a lot of breakage, just like me. You will love this. I promise you, after this, my hair felt so soft. Once you're done waiting that time, go ahead and rinse it off. Oh, just look at my curls. They look so nice. Now, last product, we're using the silicone mix bamboo. That's the one. This is the consistency of it. This is how it looks, and we will apply it all over our hair and leave it in for 3 to 5 minutes. I know you're probably saying this, wow, why did you use so many products? But I told you guys, this was the intensive deep conditioning treatment I was talking about, and my hair really needed it. So I'm glad I did it. Now, last but not least, we'll go ahead and rinse off our hair for the last time. I will pull it to see how is the shrinkage doing here and there. It looks nice, it looks nice. And we'll also check how much hair did we lose overall. Drum roll. Let's see. This is it. This is the amount of hair I lost during the whole wash, which is nothing compared to before. So you already know if you practice this technique, you will be losing less hair, less breakage, and that's what we love. This is the bathroom after all, and let's resume back after the hair is air dried.
Whoa, we finally did it until the end. This is me after I air dried. I air dried because that's the best way. Once I wash my hair, I don't have to do too much with or add heat. And I'm going to apply this organic oil that I made. I'm actually not going to put much because it's nighttime and I'm about to go to sleep. So after I apply this oil to my hair, I will put on a bonnet for the night so that these pigtails are nice and secured. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching this video until the end. I know you did love this video if you did make it this far, so I appreciate you so much. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, save it for whenever you want to watch it later or wash your own hair, because this is the most, or I think this is the best I've ever washed my hair. Like, seriously, it feels amazing. But thank you so much, guys, and don't forget to stay tuned for more videos because I am coming back, and drop any recommendations or products that you'll want to see me use next, and I got you. Okay, bye.